Eat more, food connoisseur. Welcome to my foodie adventures. I'm here to give you my most honest opinion about the restaurant and the food I will be reviewing. So sit back, buckle up, and enjoy the ride, baby. Hey y'all, happy Monday. I hope everyone is having a blessed day today. I'm blessed and highly flavored. Today I ordered off of DoorDash, Wendy's. They beefed up their home style chicken sandwich. I had this chicken sandwich a long time ago. Funny story about that one, but I ain't gonna bore you with the details of that because it's a long story. But anyway, they beefed up their chicken sandwich. So I have it right here on a nice buttered potato roll. I'm going to give you my thoughts and my opinions and my rating about this goodie right here. So I'm here to give you my most honest opinion about the restaurant and the food I will be reviewing. That means I keep it 100. So sit back, buckle up, and enjoy the ride, baby. So you beefed up. You're using a different batter. So does that mean that you taste better than before? Are you more juicier than before? Am I going to be captivated? Let's eat. Definitely juicy. Came with onion. It came with lettuce and tomatoes. I got the tomatoes and the lettuce removed. I got some onions added to it. I got some ketchup and mayo added to it. Got those pickles standing out on the side. I can definitely taste the change, and it's a good change. It was just your basic old chicken sandwich, but it has more flavor. It has more crispiness to it. Mm, you saying so, and it's in a good way. I like the mixture that I made, the ketchup and the mayo mix. Gave it a little something extra to it, and those sweet onions gave it a nice little punch that it needed to add that extra acidity to it, and the pickles helped out some too. So, on a scale of 1 to 10, I would give you an 8.5. Very enjoyable, very juicy, very delectable. Go to Wendy's and check them out. Now, is this the best chicken sandwich I ever tasted in my life? No, but it's very delicious. You're getting there. I see where you're going with it, changing the your coating to the chicken sandwich, and that potato roll makes it shine, style, and profile. Would I order from them again and get this? Most definitely, and it will be very soon because the last time I had one of these, been a while ago, a good while ago. But I'm definitely pleased with it. So I recommend you go out to Wendy's and try out their new and beefed up home style chicken sandwich. All right, y'all. That was a breakdown of the new home style chicken sandwich, updated version. They got at Wendy's. I'm starting to find out Wendy's got some very enjoyable stuff as far as breakfast and lunch is considered. Excuse me. One more thing from Wendy's to try out, or two more if I can track it down. Their their Girl Scout Thin Mint Frosty and their updated Baconator. So that will be my next videos if I can track down that Thin Mint situation. All right, y'all. Thank you for taking the time out to watch the video. You can check me out on the other platforms. YouTube, Eat More Food, and Facebook, Eat More Food Connoisseur. You will see me very soon on my next review. Until then, stay blessed. To God be the glory. Every day you get to open your eyes up, you get to take that breath. It's a gift from God, baby. I'm counting down to that road trip, y'all. Hit the brother up. Eat More Food Connoisseur. I'm out, baby.